Good morning students. Today we are going to see lesson number 1, rational numbers. Before we should start rational numbers, we should know what is meant by natural numbers. Students, we know natural numbers means counting numbers, means the numbers positive which start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And then whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers, all positive numbers including 0. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Next, integers. Means positive numbers and negative numbers including 0. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And then next there is a rational numbers. Okay, I'll repeat. Natural numbers means counting numbers. All positive numbers are called natural numbers. Whole numbers, all positive numbers including 0. Integers, all negative and positive numbers including 0. Now let's see what is meant by rational number. Rational numbers are the number which can be represented as ratio of integers. Means rational numbers can be represented as the ratio of integers. Means in terms of p by q. And we know in ratio denominator should not be 0, means q is not equal to 0. So the numbers which are in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, that type of numbers are called rational numbers. So we'll see examples. 4 by 5, -10 by 3, 7. Yes students, is 7 a rational number? Yes. 7 can be expressed as 7 by 1. So we can say that 7 by 1 is a rational number. Next, 0. What about 0? Is it a rational number? Yeah. 0 is a rational number. Next, -4 by 10. Next, -7 by -3. This is also a rational number and so on. Now let's see the properties of rational numbers. Yes students, now we'll see properties of rational numbers. Means first property is what? Closure property. We will check the closure property for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first one, for addition. What does it mean? What is meant by closure property is that sum of any two rational numbers will be a rational numbers. When you consider a, b and c, all three are rational numbers, then the sum will be a rational number. So we'll see one example. 4 by 5 plus 7 by 5. 4 by 5 is a rational number and 7 by 5 is a rational number. When you take the sum of these two rational numbers, it will be 11 by 5. So what we can say, the sum of two rational numbers will be a rational numbers. It means that rational numbers are closed under addition. Now for subtraction. Subtraction of any two rational number will be a rational number. Means if you consider any two rational numbers, their subtraction will be a rational number. So we will see example. 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9, which is equal to, now if you take subtraction of 5 by 9 and 2 by 9, then you will get 3 by 9. And what we can say, we can take a simplest form, 3 by 3 and 9 by 3. So it will be 1 by 3. Then subtraction of any two rational number will be a rational number. Next, we'll see for multiplication. Means what? Multiplication multiplication of any two rational number will be a rational number. Means A into B is equal to C. When you consider two rational numbers A and B, their product will be a rational number. Means example, 4 by 7 into 2 by 10. 4 by 7 is a rational number and 2 by 10 is a rational number. If we take multiplication of these two, we will get 4 to the 8 by 7 is a 70. And if you find the simplest form, then we will get 4 to the 8 means 2 4s and here 2 35s. Multiplication of any two rational number will be a rational number. Next, fourth one is division. Means now we'll check the division of any two rational numbers will be a rational number or not. When we take division of rational number A and B, the resultant will be rational number or not. Now we'll take an example. 7 by 3 divided by 2 by 11 means now you can say 7 by 3 is a rational number and 2 by 11 is a rational number. When you divide, what we can do? We can keep first rational number as it is, and in division we will use its opposite, means multiplication, inverse operation, and 2 by 11 can be written as 11 by 2. Now, we know we need to multiply here numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 7 11s are 77, 3 2s are 6. See, here we can say that division of any two rational number will be a rational number. But what about 5 by 9 divided by 0? As we know, 5 by 9 is a rational number and 0 is also a rational number. When 0 is in denominator, then can we divide this type of numbers? Means we know the condition. When the number is p by q, q should not be 0. Means the denominator should not be 0. And here the denominator is what? 0. So it is not defined. Means rational numbers are not closed under division. So what we can say about closure property? Sum of any two rational number will be a rational number. Subtraction of any two rational number will be a rational number. Multiplication of any two rational number will be a rational number. But when you take division of any two rational numbers, it may not be a rational number. So rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication, not closed under division. Now we'll see next property, that is what? Commutative. See the second property, commutative property. What does it mean? It means that when we swap any two rational numbers with one operator, means if A and B are rational numbers, if you take any operation plus, then swapping means B and A, then result should not be changed, means LHS must equal to RHS. Now we'll see for first addition. Means what? A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now we'll take one example. 4 by 3 plus 7 by 3. Means what is LHS? A plus B. Here A is 4 by 3 and B is 7 by 3. What is RHS? B plus A means 7 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Now if the denominators are same, then we can directly add numerators. 4 plus 7 is what? 11 by 3. 7 plus 4 is what? 11 by 3. Means LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say the commutative property holds for rational numbers under addition when LHS and RHS both are equal. Now we'll see for subtraction. In subtraction, as property, when we are swapping, then it will be a minus b equal to b minus a. Means, we'll check with one example. 4 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Same example we will carry here. Means, RHS will be 7 by 3 minus 4 by 3. 9 times it. If the denominators are same, directly we can subtract 4 minus 7. You can see here 7 is greater than 4. So answer will be minus 3 by 3. And here 7 minus 4 is what? 3 by 3. If we find the simplest form, it will be minus 1 equal to plus 1. Can we say that minus 1 and positive 1 are they equal? No, they are not equal. It means that the commutative property is not holding for rational numbers when they are under subtraction. Means minus 1 is not equal to plus 1. So, rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction. Under subtraction means in positive LHS equal to RHS, in subtraction they are not equal. Now you see for multiplication and division is for multiplication. Means if we take multiplication A into B, is it equal to B into A? Means in multiplication, if you swap the rational numbers, are they equal? Example, 2 by 3 into 7 by 11 is equal to, when we swap, we will get 7 by 11 into 2 by 3. What about LHS? Direct multiplication of numerators and denominators. 2 7s are 14 by 33 and here 7 2s are 14 by 33. Means LHS is equal to RHS. It means that rational numbers are commutative under multiplication. Now, last one is for division. Fourth one, division. What about division of two rational numbers? A by B thus is equal to B by A. Means first we'll take division of any two rational numbers. 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. Is it equal to 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3? In division, what we can do? We can keep 2 by 3 as it is and inverse operation 5 by 4. Here 4 by 5 as it is, inverse operation 3 by 2. Now multiplication 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12 and 5 2s are 10. Students, can we say that LHS is equal to RHS? No, they are not equal. It means that A by B is not equal to B by A. Therefore, rational numbers are not commutative under division. So, the rational numbers are commutative only under addition and multiplication, not under subtraction and division. Now, we'll see next. Third one is what? Associative property. In associative property, when we rearrange three or more rational numbers with any operation, means addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, then if the result is same on LHS and RHS, then we can say that associative property holds for rational numbers. So first one we'll see for addition. Means if we'll take addition, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Now here you can see a, b, c are rational numbers. When we take the addition of those numbers and if we will rearrange them, then the sum will be same. Now we'll take one example. 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Now a is 2 by 3, b is 7 by 3 and c is 4 by 3. If we'll rearrange them, then 2 by 3 plus in bracket instead of b 7 by 3 and instead of c 4 by 3. Now first we'll solve this bracket. If the denominators are same, the numerators we can add directly. 7 plus 2 is 9 by 3 plus 4 by 3. 2 by 3 plus, now first we'll solve this bracket. 7 plus 4 is 11 by 3. Now we can solve LHS. 9 plus 4 is what? 13 by 3 is equal to 13 by 3. Here we can see that LHS is equal to RHS. Means when we rearrange the rational numbers using any one operator, then the answer will be same. It means that rational numbers are associative addition. Okay. Now we'll see for subtraction. Second one. Subtraction means what here? A minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c. Means subtraction of any two or more rational numbers. Then example, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 minus 0 is equal to 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 minus 0. Here 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 will be 1 by 5 and 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5, which is equal to stop money. Now second one is about subtraction. Means when we rearrange the rational numbers by using subtraction, then it will be a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c. Now we'll take one example. 9 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Means all three are rationals. Then is equal to 9 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Now first we'll solve this bracket. 9 minus 2 is 7 by 5 minus 1 by 5 and 9 by 5 as it is minus, we'll solve this bracket 1 by 5. Now subtraction of 7 minus 1 will be 6 by 5 and 9 minus 1 by 5 means it is 8 by 5. Now this is LHS and this is what? RHS. Can we say that LHS and RHS are the same? No, they are not same. So what does it mean? In subtraction, the rational numbers are not associated. Means rational numbers are not associated under subtraction. Now we'll see for multiplication and division. Yeah, we are already seeing the
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Now we will see the associative property for multiplication. rational numbers a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. If we will rearrange the rational numbers, then the results will be same. So I'll take one example. 2 by 3 into 4 by 7 into 2 by 9 is equal to 2 by 3 into 4 by 7 into 2 by 9. First we will solve LHS. Now you can see 2 4s are 8 and 3 7s are 21 into 2 by 9. Now 2 by 3 into 4 2s are 8, 7 9s are 63. Okay. Now 8 2s are 16. Next 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 2 8s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. Now you can see that LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Means we have already rearranged the rational numbers, then also the results are same. It means that rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Okay. Now next last one, associative property for division. And let's see last one, for division. Means if we rearrange rational numbers by using division operator, then see. Okay. Let's take an example. 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 7, which is equal to, rearrange them, 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3 is divided by 4 by 7. Okay. Now we will solve LHS. Keeping 4 by 5 as it is, division as it is. Now 2 by 3, inverse operation of division is multiplication. 4 by 7 will come 7 by 4. Here 4 by 5 into 3 by 2 divided by 4 by 7. Okay. Now 4 by 5 as it is. What about here? 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So 7 1s are 7, 3 2s are 6 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Means 2 3s are 6, 5 1s are 5 divided by 4 by 7. Now 4 by 5, inverse operation of division will be multiplication. 7 by 6 will comes 6 by 7, which is equal to 6 by 5 into 7 by 4. Now there is no cancellation, so 4 6 are 24, 5 7s are 35 and 6 7s are 42, 5 4s are 20. Now see, this is LHS and this is what? RHS. But can we say that these two are same? No, they are not same. Means this property does not hold. Means rational numbers are not closed under division. Means associative property is closed for addition and multiplication, not closed for division and subtraction.